Right, here we go, back on the old Matic. So we're still following our trend, which is good, but it looks like we're on the hourly now. It looks like we're finding our way back down to our support, and it wouldn't surprise me if we find ourselves resting back down on about the 2.1 cent mark before we see another sort of push back up to the 3 cent mark. A lot of volatility going on here, and a lot of good scalping, to be honest with you, to be had if you, like I say, if you've got the balls to do it. Don't do anything, like I say, because I'm not a financial advisor, blah blah blah. I'm just telling you what I'm seeing on this chart. So we look on the hourly, it's looking a little sorry for itself. We move to the 4 hourly, it's looking a little more sorry for itself. However, we have seen some good responses to that support line, so I do expect to see some good support if we find ourselves back down there. I can't imagine ourselves really going any lower than the 2.1 cent mark. So we'll keep our eyes peeled. Now, at the moment, the whole market in general is up. Matic seems to be generally unaffected by this boost that Bitcoin's given all the alts today. That doesn't surprise me, considering it's really following its own trend. It's doing its own thing, which is good in a way. It could make for a good diversifier in your portfolio. For instance, it's always good to have a coin that has some promise, but also doesn't, isn't especially affected by the movements of Mother Bitcoin. So we'll see how we go in the next 24 hours, and if we retrace our way, sort of fall back down to the 2.1 cent mark, which I think is very likely that we will, and then see how we recover from that, which I expect to be quite strong. So let's keep our eyes on the prize, and patience is our friend with this coin. And it's still very early days with the coin, but I think it's found its new bottom for the moment, which is let's just call it 2 cent to be safe. If that 2 cent were to break, I would consider a new bottom. Well, we could find support here, I would say, around the 1.2 mark, and we would certainly find it back down here, but I think that's very unlikely. Don't think we're going to find our way back further down than a 1 cent, but that remains to be seen. Okay, well, I'll leave it there, and I'll keep my eye on this, and we'll make another video for you all later. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.